power question that you might not be asking, that you should be on any meeting, anytime you're working with people. If it's a Zoom call, you can change this if it's just a regular telephone call. But for sure do this if it's a face-to-face meeting, or you have software or product or something that people are going to look at. What do you want to see first? Right? What do you want to see first? Again, we make our job too hard for ourselves. We think that our sales process needs to be step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6. If they want to jump to step 10, let them jump to step 10. Hey, just out of curiosity, what do you guys want to see first? Contract. Got it. Perfect. Yeah, I can pull it up right now. Why do you want to see the contract first? Man, we are ready to go on this. We're pressed. The CEO, I don't want to get into it, but we were supposed to have this done 3 weeks ago. Not your fault. It's our fault. We should have been shopping for this either. If you guys can do month to month on this, we are ready to go. Perfect. Can make it happen. Does it make sense to get it signed right now? Absolutely. High five. See you later. Bye. What do you want to see first? I want to see your reporting. Why do you want to see the reporting? That's all we care about, right? Stop dragging people through stuff that they don't want to see, right? Because all you can do in a situation like that is have the high propensity to talk yourself out of a sale. Have a high likelihood that you're going to show them something that's going to distract them. It's going to throw the deal way off. If you're showing a home, hey man, so excited. What's the most important thing we need to accomplish? Man, I just want to make sure that this is in the Montgomery School District. It is. Awesome. Man, I love the property. What do you want to see first? Right? I want to see the office. Yeah, let's roll. Let's go over to the office. Instead of, here's the kitchen, here's the laundry room, this has got 2 washers and 2 dryers. I don't care, right? Until you let me see what I want to see first, that's all I'm going to be thinking about. If you are worried about your career in sales, you should be. Over the last 3 weeks, I've been brought into 7 of the top employers of sales professionals just like you. And there's a common theme with every single company that we're going to start seeing right now. Sales reps are either going to get removed, their job is going to be gone, they're going to be replaced, they're looking for new people that do it, or they're going to be rewarded. We've entered an age where you simply can't depend on your company to keep giving you handouts and support. You need to take matters into your own hands. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales training in the world. We're going to show you how to prospect, how to close, how to negotiate. We're going to show you how to make twice as much as you're making right now in sales within 60 days. You're going to have access to an online learning portal, and you're going to have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You're going to be around top performers from every single industry, people that are making mid-6 figures and even 7 figures a year in sales. Click the link here to learn how you are about to become a certified master sales consultant. While everybody else is worrying about their jobs being removed, while everybody else is worrying about somebody coming in and replacing them, you are about to be rewarded. If you're excited about your career as a certified master sales consultant, you should be. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.